Today I'm sharing an updated at-home facial routine. This is what I do if I want to give myself a little bit more of an extensive facial treatment rather than my morning and evening skincare routine. Of course, the first step is always to cleanse the skin. I do this morning and evening, and right now I am using a cleanser that I got from Trader Joe's. As I've mentioned before in previous videos, Trader Joe's has some pretty great skincare products. I really like this cleanser. It has just the perfect blend of everything I like for a cleanser. It doesn't have a weird scent. It really just leaves my skin feeling great. So I always pick that one up when they have it. The next process in my at-home facial is to steam. So I like to do that for about a minute or two using this steamer, which I've had forever. This is definitely a must-have in your routine if you like to perform at-home facials. I do that before I apply a face mask. Today I opted for a pore minimizing mud mask, but I will adjust what type of mask I use depending on what time of the month it is and also my skin's needs. If my skin is feeling dry or if it's feeling a little oily, I kind of adjust based on that. After I wash my face on clean skin, I'm going to do some red light therapy. Current Body Skin sent me this red light LED mask, and I was so excited because I used to have an LED mask before I moved, and I used to use it all the time, but I couldn't bring everything with me, and there's some things that I've been wanting to replenish since moving here, and I'm just so happy to have one again because LED red light really does make such a difference in the skin, especially if you use it consistently. Back when I used to work in the skincare industry, I used to sell this LED wand that you'd have to move around your face and hold it. With this mask, you just put it on for 10 minutes, and I have been using it every day ever since I got it. And I listen to my Aura app while I have this on, and I swear it's the most peaceful thing ever. Back in the 1980s, NASA did a study on LED light therapy. The results were amazing, hence LED entered into the skincare industry, the beauty industry. And if you look at before and afters online, it's pretty remarkable what the results are when used consistently. So I'm very happy that I have one again, and I will be very consistent with it. Then I'm gonna give myself a little cold water therapy, which is also great for the skin. Also happens to be great for anxiety. I'm gonna use Skin Medica Even and Correct glycolic pads. Love these. These are amazing. They really do make your skin glow, and they really help with any hyperpigmentation, just evening out the skin tone. I don't use them every single day. They are really potent, so I use them every few days. Recently, someone suggested I try Snail Mucin, which at first I thought it was a little gimmicky, but I decided to pick it up and use it in addition to my hyaluronic acid serum that I get from Trader Joe's in the morning. I combine them together on damp skin I apply, and it really does make my skin look super glowy. After doing a little bit more research, Snail Mucin definitely has a lot of benefits for the skin: antioxidants, growth factors, hyaluronic acid. I like the added extra hyaluronic acid because it locks in moisture, so I also make sure to drink lots of water with this routine. And I really like that combination. I've been using it every day. I'm using the Elemis Absolute Ice Serum. This has chamomile, very, very lightweight. So I like this one in the morning. I like to keep this one in the refrigerator as well. I'm gonna give myself a little facial massage just to help relax my brows. I have one brow that just tends to be a little stronger than the other, so they can be uneven. So just gonna relax my face a little bit. And then I'm gonna put on some tinted sunscreen. This is SPF 40, and I'm gonna put a generous amount on because obviously I use sunscreen every day, but also especially after using some sort of glycolic acid or AHA. Apply that on my face, my neck, my chest. And that completes my pretty easy at-home facial. This is something I like to do at least once a week, but these products are also a part of my routine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.